Hi everyone, this is a quick demo of the music recommendation system that I built. So here on the home page, the user can choose among two options. The first one is popular songs, which will display the most popular songs or the songs that were played the most in a given year. Basically, the user can select the number of songs to be displayed and their release year. For instance, if I want the top 10 songs in 2018, I would have to select here 2018 as the release year and the number of recommendation to 10. And I would get the top 10 songs that were played the most in 2018. I would have the song name, the name of the artist, the release year, and the preview the preview image, but also the user can choose whether to play that song or not by clicking on this play button. Um, we have to know that this option is not really personalized to the user's musical tastes because it just shows the most popular songs in a given year. Whereas on the other hand, the second option, which is called similar RS recommendation for users. So this option is based on the listing history of hundreds of thousands or millions of users that we gathered in our dataset. We then took advantage of that dataset along with collaborative filtering technique and alternative least square in order to generate music recommendation that match the musical taste of each user. So the following table comprises three columns. The first one is the user ID, which is obviously the identifier of the users that we have in the dataset, and then each user listen history, or to be more specific, the top 10 artists that each user listened to. And finally, the third column is the artist recommendations that the model generated or made. For instance, if we take a look at the user in the first row, his listening history consists of, I would say, mostly hip hop and pop music. The model was able to learn this and generate music recommendation that match this musical taste. For instance, um, Pitbull or Florida can be classified as hip hop artists, and also um, the system generated pop music artists like Pink and the Script. The same remark can be made uh, on the user in the third row. If we take a look on his listen history, we can see that it consists of Latino music. And again, the model was able to learn this and was able to make music recommendation artists within this category. For example, Don Omar or Mark Anthony are also Latino music artists. So that's it for this demo. Thank you very much for watching.